Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm actually going to be doing another vlog. Sorry, I got a hair in my face. I'm going to be doing another vlog. I want to share with you guys some new products that I've been using on my face and my new curling wand. And then also I'm going to be cleaning and decluttering some more stuff. So Caleb's mom and his stepdad are coming tonight. And they're not staying with us, but I still want the place to be nice and clean. Where I'm sitting right now is like my desk slash vanity, and I have clothes everywhere, like newer clothes that I need to put away, and I want to reorganize all my clothing and then kind of reorganize the drawers and stuff. I need to clean the bathroom, and like probably just vacuum and stuff. The living room and kitchen are decently clean. Need to clean the kitchen a little bit. So that's what I'm going to be doing today, and I want to get videos up for you guys, but I'm still kind of getting back into the swing of things after being sick. So yeah, I've been up for a while now, since about 6 a.m. so 5 hours. Is that right? That's insane. I worked out this morning, and then, you know, since then I had to go to AutoZone because I have my check engine light is on. That's just ridiculous. And yeah, just been getting ready, showered, got ready, everything. So I'm going to share with you guys what I have on my face right now, just the newer products that I'm trying out. I'm not going to share everything because that would be a long video. So today the last couple days I've been trying out this. This is the Wet n Wild new matte primer, their photo focus face primer in matte. And I have an oily T-zone, so I have combination skin. So like right here I get super oily, or not super oily, but decently oily, depending on what foundation I use. So I'm trying this out, and then I'm also trying out a new foundation. So yesterday I went to Ulta to get, what did I get? Oh, this like hair gloss thing. It's like John Frieda hair gloss thing, because the ends of my hair, this is going to turn into a long story. I don't know if you can tell. It actually worked a little bit. The ends of my hair are a lot, like, they're lighter because of the blonde that I used to have, and I haven't colored my hair in 6 months, so it's just like kind of fading. And it was getting kind of like brassy and red, and I want it to be more of like ashy like my roots are. So I use this gloss stuff to help tone that down, and I do think it helped a little bit, but you kind of use it like once a week and keep it up. So we'll see how that works, and if that doesn't work exactly how I want, I might do like another dye, but like do an ash brown one, or like see if there's a toner I could use, something like that. That was a long story. Back to what I was going to say. So I went to Ulta, and I was in the checkout line. I was just going to get that, and then I saw this. So this is Maybelline's new foundation. This is their Superstay Full Coverage Powder Foundation. So they have the regular Superstay foundation in the liquid form, which a lot of people love. I've never tried it because I don't know why, I just never have picked it up. But I saw this, and I thought this would be such a great like quick alternative to do like on a quick day, something. I love Physicians Formula. What is it? Powder foundation. It's like their airbrush powder. It's in a blue packaging, and I used to use it all the time. The only thing I hate about it is that they don't have my exact shade. They have one when I'm like super fair, and then the medium one is like kind of orangey, so I have to mix the two together. It's a hassle. So this is what I'm wearing today, and so far, you guys, I'm loving it. Yesterday, I wore it for probably 3 or 4 hours just because I wanted to try it out, and my T-zone did get oily, so that's why I put on the mattifying primer, and we'll see how that works. It looks so skin-like. I really love it. The coverage is great. I do have 2 little zits, and my skin was doing so well, and I got 2 little ones, so I did use a tiny bit of concealer to cover that up, but other than that, it really covered everything. I do think it is close to full coverage. I don't know if I would say ultimate full coverage, but it's really, really good. It covered up all of my scarring right here, and it is amazing. So we'll see how I like this. I'll keep you guys updated on like Instagram, probably in a future video on YouTube as well. But make sure you follow me on Instagram because I'll probably share there first. And then for bronzer, I've been trying this one out. My Physicians Formula one I haven't had for a while, the butter bronzer. So I got this. This is the NYX matte bronzer in the shade medium. And so this is what it looks like. It is kind of neutral, but it also has those like red undertones as well. So it's a little bit warmer. And I like this, but I have to use it with the right brush. So I love this brush from Essence. This is their Kabuki brush for bronzer. This is the best brush, and I kind of forgot about it. And I used to use the the one that looks like this from Morphe, with this, and it was just a little bit too dense. It would put too much product on the brush. So I started using this kabuki brush, and all I do is literally tap, and then I tap it off. It is so pigmented. This would last you a lifetime. Like, this would last forever. So that's what I have on for bronzer right now. This brush just blends bronzer amazingly. So that's what I have on right now. And then for highlight, I'm using this again. I haven't used this in forever. This is a Physicians Formula Butter Highlighter in the shade Champagne. So that's what I have on my cheeks. It's like a golden highlight. I love it. It's so pretty. I thought it was going to be a little bit too dark for me, but it's perfect right now. I did self-tan recently. I don't look that dark because I'm so pale. It's like taking a lot to get me super dark, but that's okay. I just did it last night too. Then for brows, I'm trying out this because I've wanted a pencil lately to get kind of more of a bold brow. I do still love my Catrice eyebrow filler and shaping gel. It's amazing for every day, but I've been wanting something a little bit more defined, a little bit more bold, in just because I've noticed in pictures and stuff, I want that. So I've been using this. This is a Wet n Wild micro brow pencil in, I think it's just brunette is the color. It does have a spoolie on one side and then just, you know, the pencil, kind of retractable pencil on the other side. And I just use that little light strokes with that. And I do like it. It's not my absolute favorite one I've ever used, but I do think it is a good option and it's really affordable. So that's nice. And then I went over it with the Catrice eyebrow filling and shaping gel just to keep them in place and then give it a little bit of a different kind of color as well. This one's a little bit lighter. Okay, and the last thing I want to mention is the Wet n Wild Matte Finish Setting Spray. I use this as well over my whole face when I set it. I'm going to see how this works as well. Hopefully I stay matte throughout the day. I don't really need to stay matte like on my outer perimeters. I just need it here because I've been noticing my makeup has been wearing off really easily lately, so that's what I'm using. And then for lips, because I know a lot of people will ask, this is the Exhibitionist Lip Liner from CoverGirl in the shade Caramel Nude. I just put it all over my lips and that's the only thing I have on. So 9 times out of 10, that is what I'm wearing on my lips. If you ask in the comments, that's probably it. So, and then for curling my hair, I started using this Remington Pearl Curling Wand. If you guys have seen my other hair tutorials, I use this one in the 1/2 inch to 1 inch, and this is 1 inch to 1.5 inch. So it's just a little bit bigger. My hair is longer now and I just wanted more of like a beachy wave type of look without having to like comb it out and do all that kind of stuff. So that's what I've been getting these waves with. So that's all that stuff. So I'm going to show you the state of this room and kind of what I need to do now. Alright, so this is the bedroom area. Obviously, this is where I have my desk, and I still have my suitcase from when we, you know, went to Michigan, and it is the 30th. We came back on the 30th, so that's been there forever. I need to put it all away, but I've been waiting till I redid everything. So then obviously I still have all my makeup and stuff right here that I need to put away, and then my little stool, and then these are new clothes that I'm doing a Walmart haul. I got a couple other things. This used to be like my new things area, but I want to put that all away into my closets. If you missed my previous kind of like organizing video, I redid our closet and it improved so much. So let me show you a little overview of that and what I need to do. Okay, so this is as far as I can get the door to open, but this is our closet. And the reason I can't get it to open is because I have shoe racks all on the back of this, which I love. It's gotten like so nice to not have all those on the floor. When you walk in, this is Caleb's side with clothes. We have our hampers, just like a couple storage things. Up here we have a bunch of, you know, bins, whatever. And then you come in, and this is all my stuff. I have sweatshirts down there. I'm thinking sweaters in here and maybe even up here as well. And then in there we have laundry stuff. And this is my clothes. And this is not all my clothes. Then there's like, you know, all of our coats and everything. So I'm going to completely rearrange everything in here with the stuff that is in the other room. So I have all those other clothes to put away, and so I'm gonna combine them with the ones that are in there and like completely revamp it is my goal. So hopefully I can get that done in like maybe an hour, hour and a half, because I obviously still have other things to do as well. But I'm probably going to take out things from my dresser first, because I have a big dresser in here, and then see what I want to keep in the dresser, what I want to put in the closet, and then completely fold everything because it is a mess. So I'll probably do like a what's that called, time lapse of me reorganizing the dresser, and then I'll show you kind of like what I'm gonna do with everything that I pull out of there, and then also how I'm folding everything to put in there. So let's do this.
I've been holding on, I wouldn't let you go, 'cause every time I try you find a loophole. I've been slamming the door and just leave you cold. When I come back you feed it up the South Pole. You see my body rush for the escape, while my heart wants to stay. Push or pull, and I am going mad just like you knew I would. You're reading me like an open book. You know me better than I ever thought you could. You see my body rush for the escape, while my heart wants to stay.
You guys, so you just saw the finished product of my drawers. I'm so happy with how they turned out. I have so many sweaters though right now from just, you know, doing all these hauls for you guys, that I'm kind of wondering where I'm gonna put all of them. I'm gonna have to probably hang some of them and then also put some of the more like kind of fragile ones on shelves in the closet. So that's my next mission. I'm glad I got all those folded. I can now see everything, and I found a lot of stuff that I've been missing because it was just shoved in a drawer. So yay. And I'm gonna keep working. It's actually I might take a break. I might take a break because Caleb forgot his lunch, so I'm gonna go bring that to him because I took him to work today. And then I also need to go, well, I don't need to, but I want to go look for a new desk chair for this area. So right now I have a stool, which is right here, that I got from Home Goods a while ago when my other stool broke. So it goes up and down. I really like it, but I want to use this desk more as a desk, like for working and stuff. So I want a desk chair, and that's actually one of my like Christmas presents from my mom. It just, you know, I need to find one that I really actually want. So I'm gonna go to TJ Maxx. I didn't really have any luck at like World Market or Home Goods. Home Goods maybe had a couple options, but like not exactly what I want. So I think I'm gonna go to TJ Maxx and look around there, and if I don't find anything, then I'm gonna have to just like look online again and see if I can find anything. But yeah, my room is a disaster right now because I have clothes everywhere, but I think I'll be able to get this done today, and that'll be super nice because then I'll have stuff out of the way and have it completed, which is muy bueno. So yeah, and I need to eat some lunch though because it's 12 o'clock and I'm starving. So let's do that. Hello you guys, I'm back now from taking Caleb his lunch. It took a while. There was traffic on the way there, so it took me like 25 minutes to get there, when it usually takes me like 15, maybe 17 minutes. Then I went for a little walk with him, and then I went to TJ Maxx trying to find a desk chair. Didn't have any luck. So now I'm gonna hurry up, get this room picked up. I don't think I'm gonna completely rearrange all my clothes that are hanging up, but I'm gonna hang up things that that I want to hang up and then fold some sweaters because I only have probably 2.5 hours until I need to go get Caleb from work, and like his mom and his stepdad are coming. Sorry, this is like wobbling because I'm trying to hold it and it's really heavy, and I did an arm workout yesterday. So anyway, I'm gonna get to work and I'll do some time lapses and kind of show you guys what I'm up to. About a half hour. The whole room doesn't have any clothes in it anymore, like on the floor, you know. The bedroom is clean. I got everything out from under this desk. Hallelujah. Obviously got to clean this off and this off still. That's coming next. And then this is the closet now. It doesn't look too much different to you guys probably, but I hung up a bunch of my sweaters. I barely even folded many. There's some down here, but I didn't fold as many as I thought because I had more hanging space than I thought. So I'm very happy about that I have more hanging space than I thought. I'm glad I have that dresser though because that has like a lot of my clothes in it. And then I'm so happy that I have room underneath my desk now so I can actually use it as a desk. So now I need to clean off the desk. Wow, this is so heavy. All right, you guys, it's all clean. I vacuumed in here. It's all clean. Wiped everything down. There's nothing behind the TV anymore. And look at how clean this looks. This is amazing. It's never looked this good. It's so nice to have this all like finished. I have my planner, my little whatever that's called, expander folder thing, little book that I got for Christmas, some flowers. It just looks exactly how I want it. Now I just need to get a desk chair for here and I'll be so happy and I can work there all the time. This is the view from this side. The only thing I wish is like this little TV. I don't know where to put it where it won't get damaged, but we're not using it right now, so that's there, but that's okay. And that's our room. All right, you guys, that is it for this vlog. I hope you enjoyed watching me like transform this area of my desk and also like, I don't know, just organize everything. All these drawers are super organized now, which makes me so happy, and everything's put away. So I feel so accomplished today. I still have to do a little bit more cleaning of the rest of the house before Caleb's mom and stepdad get here. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.